We have all these accessories. First we install the lock body. Put on the fixing screws. On the lock cylinder, I am in advance of the lock cylinder. This is long, I cut it in advance. Cut this according to the thickness of the door. Then screw. Lock cylinder screw. The square rod is installed, and the square rod is also long. This is also cut according to the thickness of the door. I also cut this in advance. It can't go over the front panel at this end. Can't go beyond the front panel. Okay, let's press the front panel. We put the line. Then this lock cylinder is right here, and then we'll install the back panel. As for the back plate, is this a waterproof pad? The waterproof pad must be installed well. There is a concave convex groove at this position of the rear plate. This has to be right. After alignment. After tightening, there is a waterproof cap here. Twist it. Then put our line. Wrap it in. At this time, be sure to aim at this square rod and this. It must be aligned inward here. Then we apply the pair of pull screws. Just wait for it. Tighten. After these two screws are installed, we will install the battery. Then install the waterproof pad of the battery well.
Hello everyone, let me show you how to set the smart lock with Tuya app. Now, first we should light up the display and enter the setting.
Enter master information. 1. Local settings. 2. Wireless settings. 3. Motor settings.
Press 2.
1. Add network. 2. Delete network.
1. Add network.
Network pairing.
And now open your Tuya application on the phone. And open the Bluetooth. Then press plus. And choose this lock. Press the passcode of the Wi-Fi. Successful. Then you can open the lock by your application. Now, if you press the bell, you
Verified. Successful. Unlock.
Verify administrator. Enter new admin password. Enter again. 0, 0, 1. Successful. 1. Local settings. 2. Wireless settings. 3. Motor settings. 1. Add user. 2. Delete user. 3. Lock settings. 4. Add admin. 1. Add face or palm. 2. Add finger. 3. Add password. 4. Add card. Please face the camera. 0, 1, 0. Successful. 1. Add face or palm. 2. Add finger. 3. Add. Place your finger. Enter again. Enter again. Enter again. 0, 1, 1. Successful. Place your finger. 1. Add face or palm. 2. Add finger. 3. Add password. 4. Add card. Enter password. Enter again. 0, 1, 2. Successful. Enter password. 1. Add face or palm. 2. Add finger. 3. Add password. 4. Add card. Swipe the card. 0, 1, 3. Successful. System initialization. Press pound key to confirm. Initialize successfully.